Hi guys, I hope you're having a wonderful summer. Today I am going to show you how I made this patriotic deco mesh wreath. You will need 3 rolls of the 10-inch deco mesh, and I picked mine up at Hobby Lobby. You will need your scissors or rotary cutter. You're going to need a wreath form, and mine came from Dollar Tree. You will need your wire cutters, your scissors, your hot glue gun and glue sticks, some pipe cleaners, and you're going to need a sign for the center of your wreath. And I think that's about it to get started. Next, you're going to want to cut your deco mesh at 10 inches. So you'll have a 10-inch square. I am going to be using the 3 colors on my wreath, but you can do it with 2 colors, 1 color, however many colors you want. It does not matter, and you can make it for any season or any holiday. I'm just making mine for the 4th of July. So just cut your deco mesh at 10 inches. And so this is what it looks like when you use 3 colors. Next, you're going to take your pipe cleaners. So you're going to start with 5 pipe cleaners, and at the crossbar, you're going to add a pipe cleaner, and we're just using the 2 center wires. So wrap it around the crossbar, give it a few twists, skip down a couple of inches, add another pipe cleaner, wrap it around those 2 center wires, skip down a little bit more, add your 3rd pipe cleaner, skip down just a little bit more because you'll want 3 in the center each time and 1 on each crossbar in every section. So here I'm adding the 5th one on this crossbar. Give the pipe cleaner a few twists. Now you're ready to get started. So 5 pipe cleaners when you start. Next, you're ready to add your deco mesh. So lay your square down and have it where it rolls upward toward the ceiling. Take the top left corner, fold it to the bottom right corner, and it kind of makes a triangle. Then walk your fingers up the bottom and pinch it up to kind of make a umbrella shape. Next, you're going to take your little umbrella, go to your first pipe cleaner, and put the little umbrella in it and give the pipe cleaner a few twists. Then you'll want to fluff your little umbrella. Now I'm starting on my 2nd color, so take the top left corner, fold it to the bottom right corner, then take that corner and just walk your fingers up it and make the little arch or umbrella shape. Keep it pinched tightly in your hand. Go to your 2nd pipe cleaner and attach your little umbrella. And then just make sure you fluff your umbrellas as you go. Try to keep them in line. So I'm using 3 colors. I couldn't find white mesh, so that's why I kind of have the silver that has the red, white, and blue in it. Now I'm on my 3rd color. Take your top left corner, fold it down to your bottom right corner, make the triangle, then just gather it up in your hand and make the little arch or umbrella shape. Take your little umbrella and go to your next pipe cleaner. Now you could take the end of the previous umbrella and stick it in that pipe cleaner before you add your 3rd petal. Each time do that, and that kind of keeps the tails in line and makes it look a lot cleaner and nicer and neater. So now I'm just going to continue my pattern all the way around the wreath. Now I am at my 2nd section, and so it's already got the pipe cleaner on the crossbar. It's already full with an umbrella. So I add 1 pipe cleaner, just skip down about 1 inch or 2. So I added 1. Here's number 2. Then skip down a little bit more, add number 3. And then your 4th one is going at the crossbar. So only on the 1st section do you add 5. The rest of the sections only get 4 pipe cleaners. You could add all of your pipe cleaners at once if you wanted to, or you can do it a section at a time like I'm doing. So just remember, take your top left corner, fold it to your bottom right corner, make a triangle, walk your fingers up until it makes the little umbrella shape. Try to make them about the same size each time, and then just put them in the pipe cleaner and give it a few twists. Kind of make sure you're shaping your umbrella so that it's going in a nice line. Kind of tuck in the outer edges of the umbrella so that it just follows in a row. I did a pattern on mine. Now I ended up with 26 umbrellas because at the very end I had two reds together, so I added a couple more so that it wasn't two solid reds together. But if you're doing, one color or two colors, you might be able to just do the 24 umbrellas. This is very simple to make, and I think it turns out really pretty. I like using the 3 colors, but you can use any color deco mesh that you would like, and this is the 10-inch. So you're just doing the same steps all the way around your wreath. Just make sure you're kind of shaping the ends so that the outer edges don't poke out. Kind of tuck them under. You'll see what I'm talking about when you start making it, because you want it to make that nice pretty arch shape. I am calling these umbrellas, but you can call them whatever you would like. Some people call them petals. I guess it just depends on what style wreath you're making. So this is how it looks so far. So just remember, 10-inch deco mesh. I'm sure it would probably work with a 21-inch deco mesh, but I have not tried it. So if anyone makes it with a 21, let me know how it turns out. I did not add any ribbon to this wreath, but if you leave your pipe cleaners long, then you can add ribbon to it. I thought I had some patriotic ribbon, but I couldn't find it, so I guess I used it all. So I didn't add any ribbon, but I did use a really pretty patriotic sign that I picked up at Dollar Tree. So it makes a pretty big wreath when you get it finished, which I think it's very pretty. I really like this style, so I'll be making more in the future. And here I'm just trimming off the pipe cleaners. You can fold them down or trim them off, whatever you like, but if you're adding ribbon, don't cut them until you add your ribbon first. So this is how it looks without anything on it, and it's very pretty, just plain. I had a few other things that I picked up at Hobby Lobby to decorate this wreath with, but somehow they just didn't want to work out with it. So I just ended up putting this Dollar Tree sign, "Let Freedom Ring," in the center of the wreath. Now I just hot glued some pipe cleaners onto the back of the sign, so just be very careful when you're hot gluing your pipe cleaners on. Now the pipe cleaners were just a little short and wouldn't reach the first wire of the wreath form, so I just added another pipe cleaner, just made an extension on the pipe cleaner so that I could secure the sides to the wreath. So after you have your sign secure, just kind of flip your wreath over, hang it up, and kind of make sure that the little umbrellas, the ends, are kind of tucked under so it makes a nice flow, nice smooth transition all the way around the circle. If you have ever made this style wreath before, let me know in the comments. I would love to know what colors deco mesh you used. And if you plan on making this wreath, let me know in the comments section. I would love to hear from y'all. I hope everybody's feeling good and staying safe. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and share and subscribe to my channel if you have not already.